Hey everyone, I guess you're here because you want to learn SQL or you want to know how AI transforms the modern education. And I'm going to show you the both things with our SQL Expert platform. Actually, SQL is a fundamental thing for data analysts or software engineers, and I believe it is going to be a fundamental thing. So nobody will be replaced with AI, but AI will help us with writing the code, maybe outsourcing some cognitively intensive tasks, and so on. But let me just start with our SQL Expert course and our AI tutor that is going to help you to learn SQL. Let's just start learning. Our course is completely community driven and open source and is free. So the course is published on GitHub as well. Everyone can see it, everyone can suggest some edits if something is not right. And after the reviewing process, we publish the updated materials. If you're just beginning to learn SQL, I suggest you start with the introduction, how the course is structured, and you can also join our community on Discord. Otherwise, if you know already something about SQL, maybe you just can directly jump into the SQL query syntax. Let's just do it. And you can see the chapter of our course, which is called SQL Query Syntax. The content of our course is mobile friendly and looks actually very nice also to me. You can see the query examples. You can actually check some highlighted things that are written here, for example, some keywords. And of course, the chapter is written very nicely and entertaining. You can navigate between the chapters, you can navigate between the course modules, and you can just go back to the course if you want to learn something else. But here's the thing, the content, the theory is nothing without practice. So maybe we just switch to the SQL Gym, another feature of our platform, and let's just select the second exercise, which is considered to be easy, and let's just try to solve it. The exercise is about to select Lufthansa airline flights. And here below we see the database schema, so the data model is clear for us. And I guess we probably need the two tables, flight and air company. And the expected result columns are listed here, so we are going to take care of them as well. But let me just start writing the query. I'm going to select everything from flight and air company, but I also know that these tables are connected together, and I'm going to do the same. Flight air company ID is connected to the air company by its primary key, which is ID. Let's just test how the query works, and yes, it returns the result. But obviously the query is not correct because the platform expects that the result columns are as here, and of course we just want to see the Lufthansa airline flights. What if I don't know how to continue? I'm going to use our AI tutor actually, which is helping people who learn SQL to be more advanced and to get immediate feedback. I just copied the exercise text and I will copy our query to be extended. So I'm going to ask our tutor, please extend this query, and I paste this query here. Let's see what the tutor answers. Okay, here is the query that is suggested by the tutor. We will get back to the tutor later. Let's just try this query here. Okay, obviously the tutor is not going to write you the perfect answer. You can see that there is an error, relation air company does not exist, because the air company is actually written like this with underscore. And now it works. So now syntax is correct, and let's test if the result that is returned is also correct. Yes, this is success. So AI Tutor helped us to save some time on writing the query, and it is not a secret that most of the software engineers nowadays use AI to write code, and this saves them up to 25% of their time. And the important thing is to understand how to interact with the AI things. So I'm still curious how to use inner joins. So that's why I'm going to ask AI Tutor, describe this query for me. because I want to learn something, not just copy paste something. So the AI tutor is going to describe the query so we understand it better. Okay, here we got some query description, and the query description is quite clear for me, except the inner join. So I want to know more about inner join, or in general how to use joins in SQL. What is the join statement about in SQL? Maybe I can ask like this. Remember, it is important to ask the right questions. So AI is not going to solve everything for you. It is going to support you in some things and save your time. Okay, let's just imagine that I'm going to ask something completely new. Maybe what are the data types in SQL? Let's see what gives us. Yeah, string data type, numeric data type, boolean data type, date and time, and it gives a nice link to one of our chapters. So our AI tutor is completely driven by the data that we have on our learning platform. That is why you can trust it, and you can directly go to the page where the data types are described. Maybe you can just go to a particular data type, for example, date time, and check some things about the date time, the functions that you can use, and so on. In a nutshell, this is our platform. So remember, we have three features: SQL Core, SQL Gym, and SQL AI Tutor that are going to help you to be more proficient in SQL and to learn in a modern way using AI. And don't hesitate to contact us, the experts, and just reach out, visit our website sqlexpert.org, and just try it yourself. It is completely free to use. Thanks for watching, and bye.